fancy mask. Hi kids! Guess who's behind the mask? Okay, now let's make this mask. We will require one party dish which you may have at home, a few newspaper strips for hair, glue, sellotape, scissors, watercolor and brush, pencil and card paper of different colors to make eyes and nose, and a stick. First of all, let's make the face. Draw two eyes using a sketch pen. Now take a black card paper and fold it into two halves. Draw a big circle on it. Now let's cut the circles. So we get two eyes. Now paste these eyes on the dish using glue. For making the nose, take a red card paper and fold it into two halves. Draw a triangle using a pencil. Now cut the nose. Now let's stick the nose. Now let's stick the newspaper strips on the dish. Stick them below this line. Stick at least 10 strips on the dish. Now I'm going to fold the corner strips like this and stick it. Similarly, the other strip. As you can see, I'm folding the center strip like this. You can cut these circles to create an opening. You can even make a small mask like this. For that, I have cut the border of the dish and just used the inner circle. And then you can stick the eyes, nose, and so on. You can even paint it if you want. You can make holes in these eyes. You can even try something like this. Here, I have used a sutli rope for the moustache. You can even paint a few strokes on the border or even create cuts. And once the mask is ready, you can fix a stick at the back so that you can hold the mask. Use sellotape or glue to fix the stick. Stick it properly so that it does not come out. And the face mask is ready.